Yo, what's going on, guys? We're back here with another video. Jake's over here messing with Facebook, trying to do whatever. We're going to basically be going over this little instant HP chip here that we just got from joining the new carsponsors.com website. Hopefully I'm going to get a lot more stuff here pretty soon. But yeah, basically this just goes into the OBD2 port right there. And it's supposed to give, some instant HP and torque. We'll see if that really works. We're gonna be outside in the truck in just a minute here, so we'll come back with you when we're out there. All right, hopping out here in the truck. We're gonna go throw this down here in the OBD reader. Put it in like that. Supposed to press and hold this for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm supposed to wait for, it said 20 to 30 seconds, and then we'll be back and we'll start her up. All right, we're gonna crank her up now, see what happens. Nothing out of the ordinary. I guess we'll go take her for a rip down the road and we'll see if anything's different. So far, nothing. Wonderland out here. We're sliding. This guy, I don't know what he's doing. He's just half in the driveway. I mean, the throttle response feels a little bit better, to be honest, but I can't notice anything yet. Just hold that drift real quick. Probably doesn't help that I have zero traction because I'm not putting four-wheel drive on, but we're sliding. And yep, that's not working.
Nor are we stopping.
Alright. Once we get on a main road, we'll really test this thing and probably warm up the engine a little bit, so we'll be back. Alright, just filled up over here. Typical truck stop, 66 bucks later. I'd basically drive gas station to gas station at this point. But we've driven around with this little instant HP thing here for a while. I haven't really noticed too much of a difference. Maybe a little bit of throttle response, but I mean, I slip everywhere I go anyway, so I couldn't really tell you. So we're gonna put this to test with a couple other vehicles, and we'll let you know what happens with those. So we'll be back. Guys, I just sprayed the underside of the truck, had to clean it off from all this this nasty snow and everything that's caked up under there. I mean, you can see it's cold out here, 10 degrees, that's frozen. I still got this thing, down here. I do have a complaint about it. That red light doesn't seem to go off, even when the truck's just been sitting. We went into Walmart yesterday. It stayed on the entire time, so I unplugged it last night. But I still cannot notice anything, any big difference about it. I'm gonna go do a wide open pull right here on the street, and we'll see if I can feel really anything. But I mean, there's really nothing that I've noticed from driving it for the last day with it. But yeah, we'll come check it out. All right, here we go, guys. Just like I said earlier, I don't really feel a difference, really. That was wide open throttle. I don't even know. We started at like 30, I think. But, we're in Mexico out here, so it doesn't matter, But, yeah, I don't know. I'm not really feeling much of a difference with this thing, to be honest. But, we'll do a little bit more testing. We'll throw it on Jeff's Danger. We might throw it in Jake's Hyundai. We'll give it a couple more vehicle tests and see if anyone else comes out with any different results or anything. But I'm not thinking it does very much, if anything at all.
Hey guys, so Shawn, he gave me the HP chip to put in my car. I've been driving around with it for a couple days, but I recently took it out because, Illinois has that -50 sub-degree weather, polar vortex, and the chip, it likes to stay on even though the car's turned off. So I took it out because I was afraid it was going to drain my battery. But yeah, just like Shawn said, I couldn't really tell a difference of like if it actually worked or not. I thought maybe it did for a little bit, but I was just slipping on snow and ice on the roads. The only way we could really tell is like if we put our cars on dynos, and then we can tell, and even at that, it's still gonna be like maybe couple HP. We don't think there's gonna be any big significant difference. So yeah, that's just gonna be our review for the HP chip. I'm on my way to school right now, so thought I'd just film this real quick just so that we could get this video out so people can know like if this chip actually works or not. So stay tuned, and we should have more content of us doing stupid stuff in the future.